Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to set stylist font in PixelLab and how to set it. So stay tuned. I will go to a browser and write here Bangla stylist font and click here and scroll down. There are a lot of stylist Bangla font here. You will get it by purchase, and here you see most of them are free for user. You can download and set it easily. So I will download and set on PixelLab. So click download and scroll down. Here you see download again. Click here and download. Download will complete. After completing download, you will click open, and here you see the font which I was downloaded. Before clicking here, I will go to Play Store for install WinRAR software for unzip. So I will go to Play Store and write here WinRAR or only RAR. This one I will install it. You will install must. So after installing, you will click here this font and just now dismiss and select all and click this point. Save settings and OK. This font already unzipped, and now I will go to the software and you can write here something. Looks like that. And I will add the font in PixelLab. For that, I will go to my font. Here you see I was added a lot of font, and all the font I was installed. Here you see. Now I will go to plus icon for set and click this folder, this one. Click here and go to Unicode, and I will select first one and OK. Go to font and my font. Here you see this one. This one is one of them. Another one is, go to plus and second. Here you see both are installed here. So you can add a lot of font which you want easily. So looks like that. All the font which you want to style the thumbnail, you can easily download and set into the PixelLab's software. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.